All right, today I'm going to put the Autostop Eliminator on my second Aviator. This is a 2022, and it's going to be a little bit shorter video. I'm going to try and see how fast I can do this. This will only be the second time I put one of these on. It went pretty easy the first time. That video has more detail, so you can go back and pull that video up from my channel or from the description in this video. So let's go ahead and get started. I got to gather up a few tools, and we're going to get into the steering column and get this thing installed. So for tools, I got my 7mm, got a flathead screwdriver, a piece of black electrical tape, and my Autostop Eliminator. So let's start by starting the car. Turn the wheel one way, push on that little clip to push the top cover up. Turn the other way, push the clip and push the top cover up, and the top cover will be loose. Make sure your steering wheel is extended all the way to the rear, and you can drop it a little bit, give yourself a little room. But anyway, that top cover comes off. Turn the wiper off. Then we'll pull the 3 screws out. And let's see, our auto stop is on, as it normally would be. So then the bottom cover, after I got the screws out, just need to pry that off a little clip up there. Same thing on this side, and that falls down. And I'm going to go ahead and take that off all the way, just to get it out of the way. And so we're looking for this little tab now, like this, right here close to the steering wheel on the black connector. Give that a squeeze, give the plug a little wiggle to get it out. And it comes out. I'm going to plug this end in here. And we're going to plug this end with the clip facing down. Got that snapped in. Got my piece of electrical tape. Tape up this bundle a little bit. You can probably use a zip tie too. Make sure none of the wires are interfering with the screw holes. Take the bottom cover. We're going to put that back in here. And I'm going to get those pins hooked up into the bottom cover. Like that. And we'll push the bottom cover up into place. And it should just kind of snap in like that on both sides. The top cover is still engaged. And we're going to pull that down and snap that in place. And then I can put the 3 screws in. All done. Auto stop is off. And normally when you turn the car on, then the auto stop would be on, but it's off. So it looks like it works okay. And thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it.